So data file handling MCQ we are starting with. First we will do text file questions, then binary file, and then CSV file questions. So one by one we will start. Text file. Which code snippet to open a story.txt file to search any record? Now for searching we are opening in read mode to read and then search. Now here by default read mode is already there. So R in single quotes, double quotes, or without R. So answer will be F equals to open in double quotes the name of the file story.txt. If nothing is written after comma, nothing is written as second argument, by default it is in read mode, which we use for display, search, and update and delete. The one file is opened in read mode only. So whenever display and search is asked, without any second argument is also correct, as well as with the second argument, but R should be in single quotes or double quotes. So the first one is correct. You can check here the green tick, you will check. So here green tick is the first option. So first option is correct. Now next is write code snippet to open a story.txt file to add any new record. Give the answers. For adding, what we use? Append mode we use. For append mode, what we write? Second argument will be A in single quotes or in double quotes. So if it is a text file, we will write only A for text file and CSV files. If it is a binary file, dat file, then we will write AB. So here the first option is correct. Green tick, you can see here, first option. F equals to open. In first argument will be in double quotes the name of the file. Here it is story.txt as per the question. Comma, second argument is A for append mode. So append mode will add any new record at the end of the file. Read the question carefully. If it is written to write or add at the end of the file, we will use append mode. And if it is asked to write anywhere in between, then we will use W. Next, write code snippet to close a story.txt file in append to any file. In any file, when you are closing it, it is f.close and the parenthesis. So the second option is correct. Second option is f.close. If it is opened in append mode or write mode or read mode, any file which is opened in any mode, when we are closing it, the name of the, that is your identifier. Suppose here F is given, so f.close we will write. Next, which method is used to delete a file? We use remove to remove a file and rename to rename a file. OS already you have used update and delete. So here remove function is used to remove a file or delete a file. Next, which of the following commands can be used to read a number of characters from a file using the file object named file? So name of the file object is file. So file dot, then read n bytes. So read in bracket n you will write. So first option is correct here. You can see the green tick here. File dot read n bytes it will read. It may be n bytes, n number of characters. Actually here characters means including the space or any special. So first n bytes, n characters it will read. Next, which of the statements are true for read? So here you can see check boxes are there. Check boxes means multiple option will be correct. So read reads entire file and returns the content in string form, and read is a this one, let me check it. This question, let me check it and then I will review it. Next, identify the correct option to open a file for appending. Appending you all know, in single quote, in double quotes, you will write A and the name of the file. Here the complete path is given, c:/text.txt. So the last option, D option, you are having A. It can be in single quotes or double quotes. So the last option is correct. When you open a file for reading, if the file does not exist, an error occurs. Yes. Suppose you want to read and you want to display the content and you are opening the file for reading, so it will show error. True? Yes, true. Next, which of the following are not true for read line? Read line will read one by one, so it will read the file line by line, and not true means it will not read the entire file, not read the entire file. So all the entire file will be false. Here it is written not true, so those will be false. Next, when we use with clause to open a file, the advantage is you don't have to use the close function. So here, if you use with clause to open a file, then we don't require, like with this, import this, so you don't require to close the file. Next, mark the correct option. When you open a file in append mode, you can add at the end of the file. So here you can see multiple square means multiple checkboxes are there. Now, if file exists, file is open and the file pointer is placed at the end of the file. Yes, because it will add at the end of the file. If file does not exist, a new file is created. Whenever you use append or append mode, so if file is not there, only in read mode it will show the error. Here it is written, if file does not exist, it will create an error. So only in read mode it will show the error. In append mode, if file does not exist, it will create a new file. Clear? And the other two are false, so this is false. And if file exists, read operation is possible. No, because it is append mode, you are opening in append mode. So these two options. So these type of questions, I will design more and more questions. You also share with me all the different questions of text file. So before November, we will practice most of the questions so that you don't find any problem. Now binary file. Next is your binary file.